There are many benefits of intermittent fasting that are not always well understood. But researchers have noticed something quite surprising: through a complex mechanism, fasting promotes nerve regeneration in mice. A team of scientists observed that fasting promotes sciatic nerve repair after injury in laboratory mice. But this is only possible with the help of a third player, the microbiota. Researchers have uncovered a fairly detailed mechanism. They observed that intermittent fasting promotes gut bacteria to produce a metabolite known as 3-indole-propionic acid. This compound is a potent neuroprotective antioxidant that is required for regenerating nerve fibers called axons. This research is published in Nature, conducted by researchers from Imperial College London. Although this novel mechanism was discovered in mice, it is hoped to also hold true for any future human trials. The research team states that the bacteria that produce 3-indole-propionic acid, Clostridium sporogenesis, is found naturally in the guts of humans as well as mice, and 3-indole-propionic acid is present in human bloodstreams too. This research is a hope for patients with neurodegenerative diseases, as there is currently no treatment for them beyond surgical reconstruction, which is only effective in a small percentage of cases. For more scientific updates, subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon.